Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily send copied text from laptop to your mobile device. So for doing this you just need to have on laptop and on your phone Google Chrome, and you need to sign into Gmail as the same account on your uh, laptop and on your mobile phone. So after you log in into your account, you need to go here. So just write in Google Chrome column right slash flags, and here in search flags you need to enter clipboard. So here you will find three different options with clipboard, and you need to click here and choose enabled in this three. So just choose enabled and enabled. So after you do it, you need to select some text, for example this one, and just right click on it, go to options, so you may need to restart your Google Chrome, and here you will see an option to send this to shared devices, and you can also send this text to your mobile phone or tablet, and you can also get this text copied in your device. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.